I've been working on the drawer for the portable disc, and nothing is glued yet, but I wanted to reach this this stage with everything still not permanently fastened, that I would be able to check out the drawer operation with the tambour. And the drawer right now is closed, and I can't lift the writing surface, the hinged lid, but if I pull the drawer out, you can see the tambour comes with it. And then you can lift the writing surface. Now the drawer comes out and will stop, and then the lid actually rests on that, on the top of the drawer. So this is a milestone for me. I wanted to be able to work this out and understand how to connect the tambour to the drawer. And I can show you a little bit about that by turning this upside down. There's no drawer bottom yet. I haven't placed that. And even the drawer is not glued. It's just held by the joints, the dovetail joints and so on. So if I turn this over, well, the bottom is hiding what's going on there. Let me just take a couple of these screws so the bottom will be removable, and there will be bays, wool bays that goes around the border here. Also, there'll be the blue bays on this surface here, which is the skid fastened to the front of the drawer. So the drawer bottom comes off like that, and you can see the tambour. There's a cleat that's fastened to the back of the drawer, and then there's this clamp. I haven't put all the screws in here, but a little 1/8 inch clamp that will clamp to the canvas that's on the other side of these slats, holding all these slats together. Instead of this tape, there'll be glued to a canvas backing, and that canvas backing will slip underneath this clamp and screw it down so that it's really fastened well to the drawer. So when I close the drawer and open the drawer, the tambour is coming with it. So this is all working out, and so I think I can begin to glue up the carcass, glue up the drawer, glue the backing, canvas backing to the tambour, and then the last stage we'll be decorating this with quite a bit of veneer and bandings, stringing, crotch veneer, etc. So I'm happy with the way this is working out.